What if I told you that a delicious, warm, cinnamon roll style treat doesn't have to take a ton of time and effort? Well, get ready because today we're explaining how to make these absolutely incredible honey cinnamon apple butter roll-ups in just a few minutes.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. It's that mid-afternoon slump, you're craving something sweet, but you have absolutely no time to bake. So what's the answer? Well, what if the solution starts with just 2 ingredients? Seriously, that's it. It sounds almost too simple to be delicious, but trust me, that's the magic we're getting into today. All right, let's get right into it. How you turn this super simple idea into a delicious 5-minute sweet snack. The whole concept is kind of like a brilliant little kitchen magic trick. You take a simple flour tortilla and some sweet, tangy apple butter. The tortilla acts as this perfect blank canvas, just ready to be transformed into these delightful little golden bites. So, how do we get from those ingredients to something snack-ready? Well, the prep is incredibly simple. It's all about the roll and the slice. And I mean it really is this easy. You just spread the apple butter, not too thick, not too thin, all over the tortilla. Roll it up nice and snug, then just slice it into these little pinwheels about 1/2 inch thick. And just like that, the prep is totally done. Now for the fun part. This is where those soft little rolls get transformed by the heat, getting that perfect golden toast. And the method couldn't be simpler. You just place the slices in a skillet right on the stovetop. You don't need any fancy techniques or special equipment at all. The key here is just to watch for that perfect visual cue. You want to toast them until they're nice and brown, which means the sugar in the apple butter is caramelizing and the tortilla is getting beautifully crisp. And you know, as you're rolling them around in the pan, they start to look just like tiny little cinnamon rolls. It's a really charming detail that makes the whole process even more fun. Okay, we're almost there. The roll-ups are toasted and golden, but this is the grand finale, the step that makes them truly irresistible. It's time to add the honey and cinnamon. So for that final touch, while they're still warm right out of the pan, you drizzle them with honey. Then give them a generous sprinkle of cinnamon. That combination of the sweet honey and that warm spice is what ties it all together. So what's the end result? Well, the source calls it a cinnamon roll honey apple butter flavor. It's not just one note, it's that perfect blend of warm spice, sweet honey, and tangy apple all in one crispy, amazing bite. So let's just break down why this is so clever. It's a 5-minute snack from 2 core ingredients that gives you all the flavor of a cinnamon roll with basically none of the work. It's the ultimate kitchen hack for a sweet tooth. So simple. Can you do it? Oh yeah? And that leaves us with one final thought. If apple butter and cinnamon work so beautifully, what else could you roll into a tortilla? I mean, think about it. Jams, chocolate spreads, nut butters, the possibilities for your own 5-minute golden bites are pretty much endless.